In 1200, pearl lens was used for magnification purposes. Then glasses lenses had become more popular because it had scratch resistance. At the same time, convex and concave were developed. Convex is used for the aim of far-sightedness correction, while concave lens used for short-sightedness correction. In 1787, Benjamin Franklin introduced the tymples. Nowadays, most popular lenses are polycarbonate and CR39 lenses because they are lighter and more flexible. Frame is made of plastic and metal. An ideal frame would be made of material that is hypoallergenic, lightweight, flexible, strong, and rust resistant. The manufacturing process is divided in two parts: lenses and frames. Each one is finished in series of operations. Then lenses and frames are compounded to form the eyeglasses.